peak in northwestern Indiana until 8 p.m. At 2:32 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over South Searing, or near Roseland, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Area. Therefore, the warning, sightings, and trees. Locations impacted include Hammond, Gary, East Chicago, and Whiting. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Wind damage with this storm will occur with little to no rain or lightning. Do not wait for the sound of thunder before taking cover. Seek shelter immediately inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. for northwestern Indiana. A severe thunderstorm in effect until 2:45